Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 6. Information about chronic wasting disease, CWD. If you guys see what he's trying to do, he's trying to do something to prevent a disease of something. And guys, there's a website down there if you guys want to go check that out. But let's get into it. We have a lot of stuff to do today. I don't know why I said that. Oh my lord. Guys, season 1 is coming to an end. This is episode 6. There will be an episode 7, and then an episode 8, and then the new season. Guys, you guys can pause the video because I'm going fast right now. And when you guys have that, let's switcheroo. And then there's the info. And if you guys want to write these down, I prefer you guys could. Since you guys are going to be wondering that soon, which good time to be writing this crap down. Okay. I thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.